2 because we've got an obstacle course or a mud bog going on. Double check the position. I'll post it on Facebook. Let me know. But right now, 135. Then it might be Google. The flower pot on the track. They ran the small open yesterday, and well, the bumper buster might have claimed its first victim. No. Not like you're doing the whole, Fast and Furious thing out there. Again, Ken and Mike McDougal, 135. At the top start line, still doing a good time, though. Final turn of the first run. The 135, the flower pot, headed for the finish line.